Notuddsparken Apartments by Okidoki Investors, Sweden. Notuddsparken is an award-winning new construction of 2 buildings with 46 apartments in Västerås, Sweden. The houses are built entirely in wood, using modern timber construction techniques, and have received the highest FEBY Gold certification. Beautiful architecture combined with social responsibility and a clear environmental focus is the basis of Okidoki's innovative work in housing development. In the project, Okidoki, together with the client Bright Living, has developed its own model for social sustainability, the 5% model. The houses are favorably located in a straight southern position with a lush, mile-wide view of Lake Mälaren in the middle of Sweden. A clear goal of the project has been to do justice to the unique and attractive location, and Okidoki has put a lot of effort into the design of the houses. The focus has been on quality of living, a mix of housing sizes, and of course long-term sustainability. The facades have green heat-treated wood panels with decorative elements. The wooden panel covers form a shadow play on the facade, a simple and beautiful touch that adds a layer of playfulness to the architecture. Wood is a recurring theme and both houses are built using modern timber construction techniques. The exterior construction creates a loggia at the front of each apartment. A simple touch that adds a sense of willowy quality. The other materials that adorn the building are hand-seamed metal roofs with large areas for solar panels, gray wrought iron details, and wood joinery. Okidoki has implemented its 5% model in the project they developed with the client Bright Living. The model aims to reduce segregation by building housing for people from different socio-economic backgrounds. Specifically, 5% of the homes are sold at a discounted price to a non-profit organization, which in turn helps vulnerable individuals in the community to rent housing. In Notuddsparken, 2 out of 46 apartments are rented to homeless people. From an environmental point of view, Notuddsparken is also a good example of sustainable construction throughout the life cycle. Wood building techniques combined with passive houses result in extremely low energy consumption and a small carbon footprint over time. The houses are environmentally certified according to FEBY Gold, the highest international certification, which means that both the construction process and the materials meet very comprehensive quality and environmental requirements. The result is a non-toxic living environment with minimal environmental impact.